I'm basically filming this to keep myself accountable. Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome. Thanks for joining me. This is my grandpa's old camera, Chinon 35mm camera, and it needs a good cleanup. Here's the beauty. Yeah, so the Chinon CE-4, and literally all of my childhood photos were taken with this camera, so this thing, it means a lot to me, so I want to make sure that I'm babying it and taking care of it, and it needs a little bit of maintenance, so that's what I'm planning to do. And I just bought a roll of black and white film just to see if it still works the way it should be, or if it needs a servicing or whatever. So thanks for joining me, and we're gonna get this thing cleaned up. Okay, I'm gonna use the cleaning tissue and just sort of do like the bigger areas, and then I'll come in afterwards and get more of the detail, but for now I'm just trying to get the dirt and stuff off of. Yeah, I can take this off. This absolutely needs some, you can see the dust in there. See if I can get a better shot. Yeah, there's a lot of dust. Okay, let's see what we can do about this. So that got a couple of dust flecks off of there. I really need to get in there with lint-free cloth and some of the spray cleaner. Spray the spray cleaner right onto the lint-free cloth. And you don't need that much. The foam around here is deteriorating, so that's definitely not going to do me any favors. I have to get in there and change that somehow. So it sounds like this is going to need to be serviced in the near future, but for now I'm going to just enjoy it as it is. Same thing with the lens that was attached. See all the dust. Click into place. And then there's another lens on the front here. All right, now I'm taking the lens cleaner and one of these pointy Q-tips, and I'm just gonna dunk it in here. Here's the inside of it. Once again, just dust from being stored. There used to be foam right here. That's completely deteriorated. So hopefully the light stays out. Yeah, you can see like it's fuzzy here and then not right there. So I'm gonna get this cleaned up as best as I can. And then I might need to take it in for servicing because I don't know how to replace that stuff. Oh, looks like it's a bit corroded here too. I'm just gonna do the best we can today. Okay, I think this is pretty well good. I'm just going to wipe this viewfinder a little bit. But this is in way better shape than when I left it, when I took it out of my bag. I'm just gonna let this dry out for a hot minute and then load some film in it and then see how we go. So thanks for joining me. I think that this looks much, much better. I'll try to do a before and an after shot. Thank you for joining me, guys, and stay tuned for the next one. I'm going to be doing more projects with this baby, and we'll see you guys around. Thanks for stopping by.